Welcome to my solar addiction. Today's video:
external total rapid shutdown install.
Today we're going to continue with this install, and before I do the actual commissioning of the batteries and then the inverter and this SYN, I'm going to install this external rapid shutdown switch that comes with the Growatt 11.4 inverter. Now this one is specifically designed for this circuit. If we look, this is the three-pin connector right here. Already got my wire run. One connector is going to go to one side of this pin and the other is going to go to the other side, which means that this is a always closed or always on circuit. So the external rapid shutdown switch has to be an always on or always closed circuit. Now, some of the other shutdown switches, which I'm going to show you, I have these two other ones, are not designed that way. They have options. You can either have it always on or always off. So this one is designed to work with the system, and this one is designed with just 2 points of contact, and it would be just an always on external rapid shutdown switch. Both of these have the option of always on or always off, or open or closed. And these are for my other system. Usually these are set up by the main service panel, is where your panel comes in. If there's a fire, you want the fireman to be able to shut the system down by hitting one of these buttons. But this system is going to be going to my test panel, which is on the other side of this wall. That's why I have the wire run over here to the test panel. It's going to be right next to the test panel. If something's going wrong, I could shut it off from the other room. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. This is some pretty thin wire. We're going to probably put some ferrules on it to make sure we're making good contact. And we'll go ahead and install the other half on the other side. Pull test. Let's see if we could just shove them in there. It goes like, there it is. I just got to do the other side. Like this. Okay, so we should be good now. All right, there we go. So you just push it, and then you turn it, and it comes back on.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video.